Dear students, how are you? I am Abul Kalam Azad, Assistant Professor in English of Belkusi Government College, joining with you through online class arranged by Shirajganj Online School. Dear students, in the previous class, I discussed transformation of sentence. So, in the previous class, I discussed various kinds of sentence. Today, I will try my best to transform the sentences. You know that when we transform the sentence, we should keep in mind that only the structure of a sentence will be changed, but meaning will remain unchanged. So, we will have to keep in mind this point, that only the structure of the sentence will change. In the previous class, I discussed various sentences. Now, I am giving some rules of transformation of sentence. At first, I am discussing about assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is a sentence which expresses statement or narration, and we find assertive sentence. We find that assertive sentence is of two categories, two kinds. Number one, affirmative. Number two, negative. Now, we will change affirmative sentence into negative. I am writing a sentence. Allah can help us. It's an affirmative sentence, and we'll have to change the sentence in negative without changing the meaning of this sentence. The rules of transformation sentences are very much known to you. You are very much well known to the rules of transformation of sentence, as you have already found this chapter in previous classes. Only Allah can help us. It's an affirmative sentence, and we have to change the sentence into negative. Here notice that only is set up before the subject, before a noun. We find only before a noun. Now we can change the sentence into negative. If we change it, if we find only before a noun and we try to change the sentence into negative, then we will replace only by some words. If we find only before a subject, before a person, then we can set up none but. In exchange of none only, we can set up none but. In the place of only, we can set up none but. Allah can help us. Only Allah can help us. একমাত্র আল্লাহ আমাদেরকে সাহায্য করতে পারেন. If we change the sentence into negative, none but Allah can help us. কেউই না, একমাত্র আল্লাহ আমাদেরকে সাহায্য করতে পারেন. There, the meaning is unchanged, but the structure of the sentence has been changed from affirmative to negative. Another sentence. Allah alone can help us. If we change the sentence into negative, here we find alone after the subject. Here we can apply the same rule. None but Allah can help us. None but Allah can help us. Only the brave can deserve the fair. Very simple rule. Now we can change it into negative. Only the brave can deserve the fair. We can replace only by using non-but, as only set up before a subject, before a person. Only the brave can deserve the fair. শুধুমাত্র সাহসীরাই ভাগ্যের সুন্দর প্রত্যাশা করতে পারে. If we change the sentence into negative, none but the brave can deserve the fair. None but the brave can deserve the fair. Another example. They will employ only the graduates. They will employ only the graduates. Here only set up before the graduates will change only by using none but. They will employ none but the graduates. They will employ none but the graduates. From this rule, from the sentences, we find that if we find only before a person, we can replace only by using none but. This is how we can change the sentence from affirmative to negative without changing its meaning. Now, if we find only before a thing, now another example, if we find only before a thing or any animal, only birds can fly in the sky. Negative. Only birds can fly in the sky. Here bird cannot be considered a person. It's an animal or a bird or animal or anything. If we find only before anything or bird or animal, we can replace only by using nothing but. Nothing but birds can fly in the sky. Nothing but birds can fly in the sky. Only birds can fly in the sky. শুধুমাত্র পাখিরা আকাশ উড়তে পারে. Nothing but কিছুই না, but birds can fly in the sky. শুধুমাত্র পাখিরাই আকাশে উড়তে পারে. Another sentence. I take only tea in the morning. If we change the sentence into negative, I take only tea in the morning. Here only set up before tea, so we will replace only by nothing but to keep the meaning unchanged. I take nothing but tea in the morning. I take nothing but tea in the morning. I take only tea in the morning. আমি সকালে শুধুমাত্র চা পান করি. I take nothing but tea in the morning. আমি সকালে কিছুই না, শুধুমাত্র চা পান করে থাকি আর কি. Now, if we get only before any numeral 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., then how can we change the sentence from affirmative to negative? only 50 students were present in the class. শুধুমাত্র 50 জন ছাত্র ক্লাসে উপস্থিত ছিল. If you change the sentence into negative, only 50 students were present in the class. Now only set up before a numeral 50, 1 2 3 4 5 6 50 etc. We can replace only by not more than or not less than. Not more than 50 students were present in the class. Not more than 50 students were present in the class. অনধিক 50 জন ছাত্র ক্লাসে উপস্থিত ছিল আর কি. Another sentence, I eat only one thing for luncheon. Negative. I eat only one thing for luncheon. A very much familiar sentence to you. I eat only one thing for luncheon. Here only set up before a numeral 1. So to change the sentence into negative, we can replace only by using not more than. I eat not more than one thing for luncheon. This is how we can change any sentence from affirmative to negative, where we find only before a person or a thing or a numeral. If we find only before a person, then we can use none but. If we find only before a thing or a bird or animal, we can use nothing but. If we find only before a numeral, we can use not more than or not less than. This is how we can change any affirmative sentence to negative. Now another rule of changing affirmative sentence to negative. Man must depend on others. It's also an affirmative sentence and you will have to change it into negative without the change of meaning. Man must depend on others. Here to keep the meaning unchanged, we replace must by using cannot but or cannot help. Man must depend on others. মানুষকে অবশ্যই অন্যের উপর নির্ভর করতে হয়. Now we can replace must by cannot but to keep the meaning unchanged. Man cannot but depend on others. We can also replace must by using cannot help. Or man cannot help but you must add ing after the verb, depending on others. Man cannot help depending on others. Another sentence, you must submit to death. Negative. You must submit today. Now we can transfer the sentence. You cannot but submit to day. You must submit today. তোমাকে অবশ্যই মৃত্যুর কাছে পরাজয় স্বীকার করতে হয়, বশ্যতা স্বীকার করতে হয়। You cannot but submit today. তোমাকে মৃত্যুর কাছে বশ্যতা না, তুমি মৃত্যুর কাছে বশ্যতা স্বীকার না করে পারো না। Their meaning is same, but the structure has been changed from affirmative to negative. Now another rule. Every mother loves her child. We have to change the sentence into negative without the change of meaning. Every mother loves her child. Every plus noun plus verb. Every plus noun plus verb. In this structure, we can replace every by using there is no. If the verb is present tense, we will use here there is no for every, and if the verb is past tense, we will use there was no. Or our verb is present tense, so we can replace every by using there is no plus noun. There is no mother. To now, to keep the meaning unchanged, we can use but. There is no mother but loves her child. Every mother loves her child. প্রত্যেকটা মা তার সন্তানকে ভালোবাসেন। There is no mother but loves her child. এমন কোনো মা নেই যে তার সন্তানকে ভালোবাসে না। We can also write down the answer in another way by using a relative clause. There is no mother who. You can use a relative clause to keep the meaning unchanged. Who, but the relative clause must be negative. Who, third person per subject, third person singular number. Who does not love her child. Alternative rule. There is no mother, but who does not love her child. Also correct. But I think this rule is easier than that rule. Another sentence. Every student deserves good result. Negative. Every student deserves good result. Now we can use there is no for every. There is no. Noun will remain unchanged. To keep the meaning unchanged, we will have to use but before the verb. There is no student, but now change of the other parts of the sentence. But deserves good result. There is no student, but deserves good result. If we find every plus noun in a sentence, we can replace every by using there is no, and before verb we can use but to keep the meaning unchanged. Now another rule. As soon as he saw me, he burst into tears. You have to change the sentence into negative. As soon as he saw me, he burst into tears. As soon as he saw me, he burst into tears. আমাকে দেখা মাত্র সে কান্নায় ভেঙে পড়ল। Now we can use no sooner in the place of as soon as to change the sentence from affirmative to negative. In the place of as soon as, we can use no sooner. Now we have to change the clause, first clause, into past perfect tense. He saw me, the clause is in past indefinite tense, but we have to change it into past perfect tense. Then he had seen me, he had seen me, and had will go, auxiliary verb will go before the subject. Had he seen me, no sooner had he seen me, now we can use than between two clauses. The second clause will remain unchanged. He burst into tears. No sooner had he seen me than he burst into tears. As soon as he saw me, he burst into tears. আমাকে দেখা মাত্র সে কান্না ভেঙে পড়ল. No sooner had he seen me than he burst into tears. আমাকে দেখতে না দেখতে সে কান্নায় ভেঙে পড়ল. Another example. As soon as we reached the station, the train left. We have to change the sentence into negative. Now we can use no sooner in the place of as soon as. No sooner, this clause is, the first clause is in past indefinite tense, but we will have to change it into past perfect tense. We had reached the station. We had reached the station, and had will go before the subject. Had we reached the station, and we will have to use then between two clauses. Then the train left. No sooner had we reached the station than the train left. Another rule. Habib and Kobir have went there yesterday. Negative. Here two subjects are combined by and, by conjunction and. Habib and Kobir, two words. If we find two words or two phrases or two clauses combined by and, then we can use not only but also. Not only but also. If we find two words or two phrases or two clauses combined with and, we can use not only but also. Before first word or phrase or clause, we can use not only. Not only Habib. Before second word or phrase or clause, we can use but also. The other parts of the sentence will remain unchanged. Went there yesterday. Not only Habib but also Kobir went there. Not only Habib but also Kobir went there yesterday. শুধু Habib and Kobir went there yesterday. Habib এবং Kobir গতকাল সেখানে গিয়েছিল. Not only Habib but also Kobir went there yesterday. শুধুমাত্র হাবিবই নয়, কবিরও সেখানে গিয়েছিল. The meaning is same, only the structure has been changed from affirmative to negative. Another example. Mr. Amin is honest and wise, negative. Here two words are combined by and. Mr. Amin is honest and wise. We can use Amin is not only honest but also wise. We may find both before two words. Mr. Amin is not only honest but also wise. There are many rules of changing any affirmative sentence into negative. If we find no rule, then we can use antonym to change the sentence from affirmative to negative. For example, he was the boy is fit for the job. If we change the sentence into negative, there is no rule of changing the sentence from affirmative to negative, so we can use antonym to change the sentence into negative where the meaning will remain unchanged. The boy is not fit, antonym unfit for the job. The boy is not unfit for the fit, unfit for the job. I will always remember you, negative sentence. I will, we'll have to change the sentence into negative. I will not. Always, negative form, never. I will never. I will always, I will never. Now, antonym of remember, forget. I will never forget you. I will never forget you. This is how we can change any affirmative sentence into negative. You know that this transformative sentence is very easy. If you know the rules of transformative sentence, all of you will be able to solve the problems. And I hope all of you will try your best to practice the rules again and again. No more today. In the coming class, I will discuss another rules. Thank you. See you again.